All right, last practice problem. So looking at my x's, I have an 8 and a 2, and looking at my y's, I have a 3 and a 10. I can't multiply 3 by anything to get 10, but I can multiply 2 by 4 to get 8. So the second equation is going to be negative 8x minus 40y equals, what's 16 times 4? 64. Rewrite the first equation exactly the way it is. And this time, we've got opposite signs. So we're going to add these equations together to eliminate our x's. So 3 plus a negative 40 is what? Negative 37. And then 74. That's going to be 2, huh? We're going to divide by negative 37. Goes into that twice, so it's negative 2. Which equation looks better? To me, I like the first one because everything is positive. So I'm going to use this one, but you can use the other one. It doesn't matter. I know what y is. So instead of y, negative 2 in its place gives me 8x minus 6. Add 6 on both sides. 8x equals 16. Divide by 8 to get x equals 2. So the answer should be 2, negative 2. Let's check our work. Remember, this is x and this is y. Let's set it up. Instead of variables, parentheses. Instead of x, positive 2. Instead of y, negative 2. This is 16 and this is negative 6. That is 10. Checks out. Set it up. Instead of variables, parentheses. Instead of x, positive 2. Y, negative 2. Negative 4. Negative times negative is positive. 20 minus 4 is 16. They both work. We get 2, negative 2. It's time for your exit ticket, which is great because my voice is gone. Take your time, show your work, check it. Check it, check it, check it so you don't make a mistake. You are ready.